Hi everyone, that time again, cooking with Noi. Today I'm making best recipe for family. My family loves this one. Everyone loves chicken wrap in my house. Not just any chicken wrap. This one Noi Satay chicken wrap. Everyone loves chicken wrap for dinner. Old people, young people, pretty people. Everyone likes the wrap. You listen to Noi. Okay, let my chicken. Chicken in a bowl. I'm using chicken side. You can use breast too. Today I'm using our special satay sauce. This one can be mayonnaise and sauce. Our satay have all good things. You never find this anywhere else. This is our family recipe. Okay, put some in the chicken. Check the bottle. This one you can get in Australia. You can't get, you can go to Marion website to our recipe. We like that everyone will eat good things. Smell good already. Now let's cooking. Today I'm gonna grill it. Little bit oil. I like to get paper towel and brush on there. Now the time to put the chicken on. Oh, sizzle. Gonna get nice color on the chicken. It's 3 or 4 minutes each side. Turn it over. Oh, look at that. Smell good. Everyone gonna love this chicken. Now I'm gonna make this nice salad for my wrap. I like to do a lot of vegetable. Vegetable good for you. Listen to the noise. Beautiful fresh salads. Look at this. Let's tear up a big one. I'm gonna put some red cabbage as well. Beautiful color, a lot of crunchy. And some red onion. This special tip from Noi. Add fresh herb in your salads. Gonna make it better. Gonna add some basil today. Now the simple dressing. Now a simple dressing. Simple dressing. Coconut sweet chili. You try this one yet? This is my favorite. Nice coconut flavor, little bit tangy, perfect. Mix it all up. Oh, I must forgot. I want to add some cucumber too. Lucky I didn't forget. Can't be perfect all the time. Just most of the time. Now I'm gonna get your chicken and slice it up. Oh, chicken looks so good. Now time for wrapping. Just take a piece of bread. I like to put on a baking paper. Make it less messy when you're eating. Salads. Now chicken. Gonna put a little bit more sauce. Always have more sauce. Now wrapping up. This is the best wrap ever. That's perfect. Look at that. Another winner from Noi. No, I'm not saying this one. So good. This is the best.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. So our sauces and marinades are in Coles in Australia right now. What should people do?
Head to Coles, you don't miss out.
Listen to Noi.
Yeah.